Not just another soup. Thukpa is simplicity and warmth served in a bowl. Let's make a hearty thukpa in the new Philips OneChef. First, let's prep the thukpa paste. In a mixer jar, add onions, tomatoes, ginger, tender coriander stems, fresh red chilies, salt to taste, sesame oil, and grind into a smooth and fine paste. Now press the power button, select curry mode, followed by Thukpa preset, and press start. To the cooking pot, add some oil. Once it's hot, add the thukpa paste and cook for about 10 minutes until you get the aroma. Select curry mode followed by veg preset and press start. Add cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, vegetable stock, vinegar, salt to taste, and let boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add the noodles, mix well, cover with the special glass lid and let cook for 8 minutes. Finally add the French beans. Boil for the remaining 2 to 3 minutes or until the noodles are cooked. Finish with sesame oil, spring onions and give it a gentle mix. Transfer to a serving bowl and serve hot. Simple ingredients, a slow simmer and a lot of soul. Thukpa made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.